Welcome back to Caring Guy, and today we're taking a close look at the H34 Mini Drone, a compact but feature-packed quadcopter that brings brushless power, smart flying assistance, and fun aerial creativity into a beginner-friendly size. Right out of the box, the H34 stands out with its brushless motor design, giving you smoother flight, better stability, and longer durability compared to basic toy drones. Powered by a 3.7V high-capacity battery, this mini drone delivers around 15 minutes of flight time per charge, which is impressive for its size. One of the biggest highlights is the 4-way infrared obstacle avoidance system. Sensors on all sides help the drone detect obstacles and automatically adjust its path, making it much easier to fly indoors or in tight spaces. Combined with optical flow hovering, the H34 can maintain stable altitude and position without drifting, even for new pilots. The camera setup is another strong point. You get a 4K Wi-Fi FPV camera with electric 90-degree up and down adjustment, controlled directly from the remote. Whether you're shooting from above or capturing forward-facing views, you have flexible angles for photos and videos. Live image transmission lets you see exactly what the drone sees in real time on your phone. Flying the H34 is simple and fun thanks to features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and 3 speed levels, slow, medium, and fast, so you can grow your skills at your own pace. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope keeps everything balanced and responsive during flight. For extra creativity, the drone also supports advanced app features like gesture photography, trajectory flight, gravity sensing, 50x digital zoom, automatic photo capture, and even music and light effects. Colorful LED lights add personality and help with orientation during night or indoor flights. With a control range of up to 100 meters, stable Wi-Fi transmission, and a compact design that's easy to carry, the H34 Mini Drone is ideal for beginners, teens, and anyone looking for a fun, smart, and capable mini drone experience. So, if you're searching for a feature-rich mini drone with obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and a 4K camera, the H34 Mini Drone might be exactly what you need. This is Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.